If you're looking for the best reciprocating saw for your projects, you're in the right place. Today, we're ranking the top 5 reciprocating saws from weakest to strongest, so you can find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Makita XRJ01Z. This is the most compact and lightweight saw in our lineup, making it ideal for precision work and tight spaces. If you're looking for something easy to handle, this might be a great option. But let's see how it stacks up against the competition. The Makita XRJ01Z is perfect for one-handed operation, thanks to its ergonomic design and low weight. It features a dual-position switch, allowing you to activate it either with a paddle trigger or a standard trigger, offering flexibility in different cutting positions. Plus, the built-in LED light helps illuminate your work area, which is a great bonus for visibility. However, its short stroke length of just 0.5 inches significantly reduces cutting efficiency compared to larger models. This means cutting through thick materials takes longer, and for heavy-duty tasks, it might not have the muscle you need. Another downside is that it doesn't come with a battery or charger, which means additional costs if you don't already own Makita batteries. This saw is best suited for those who need a lightweight, precise tool for small jobs, especially in tight spaces. But if you're working on larger, more demanding projects, you might want to keep watching for something more powerful. Links to all the products at the best prices are in the description below. Check them out. At number 4, we have the BLACK+DECKER BDCR20C, a budget-friendly reciprocating saw that balances portability with performance. This is a great entry-level option for DIYers or those looking for an affordable cordless saw. This model is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it a solid choice for home projects like pruning, light demolition, and small repairs. It features tool-free blade changes, which means no hassle when switching out blades for different materials. Plus, the adjustable pivoting shoe provides better control while cutting, helping you maintain precision. But as expected, at this price point, there are some limitations. The stroke length is only 0.875 inches, which is shorter than higher-end models, making it less aggressive when cutting through tough materials. It also lacks the power needed for heavy-duty construction or demolition jobs. If you need something for serious work, you'll want to check out the higher-ranked saws on our list. If you're a beginner or someone who needs a reciprocating saw for light-duty tasks, this is a fantastic budget-friendly choice. It won't handle industrial-level work, but for casual use, it's a great tool to have around. And while you're here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth tool reviews. Coming in at number 3 is the Makita XRJ08Z, a compact reciprocating saw that delivers more power than its smaller counterpart while maintaining a lightweight, ergonomic design. If you want a good balance between portability and performance, this one is worth a look. Unlike the XRJ01Z, this model features a higher speed of 3100 strokes per minute, making it more efficient at cutting through wood, metal, and PVC. Its low vibration design makes it easier on your hands, reducing fatigue during extended use. The toolless blade change system allows for quick blade swaps, saving time on the job. However, despite its improvements, the stroke length is still on the shorter side at 0.875 inches, meaning it's not as aggressive as some of the more heavy-duty saws. Additionally, the shoe is fixed, which limits depth control when making cuts. These factors prevent it from ranking higher on our list. This saw is an excellent choice for contractors, DIYers, and anyone who needs a compact yet powerful reciprocating saw. It's small enough to fit into tight spaces, but still delivers enough performance for moderate cutting tasks. But if you're looking for maximum power, the next 2 saws on our list will impress you even more. Taking the runner-up spot is the DEWALT DCS380B, a heavy-duty cordless reciprocating saw that stands out for its longer stroke length and solid power. This is the best cordless option in our ranking and great choice for professionals and serious DIYers. One of the standout features is the 1.125-inch stroke length, which allows it to cut through thicker materials much faster than the previous saws. The adjustable shoe adds versatility by extending blade life and offering better depth control. If you need a powerful yet portable option, this is a fantastic choice. The downside? It's heavier than some of the other cordless models, which might make it a bit tiring to use over extended periods. Also, like many battery-powered tools, the battery and charger are sold separately, adding to the total cost if you don't already own DEWALT batteries. If you're looking for a powerful cordless reciprocating saw that doesn't compromise on performance, this is the one to go for. It offers professional-grade power while still being portable enough for job site use. And finally, at number 1, we have the CRAFTSMAN CMES300, the most powerful saw in our ranking. If you're after maximum cutting efficiency and continuous power, this is hands down the best choice. This saw is equipped with a high-speed 3200 SPM motor and a 1.125-inch stroke length, making it the fastest and most aggressive cutter on our list. The tool-free blade release system allows for quick swaps, while the contoured handle provides extra comfort during long cutting sessions. Unlike the battery-powered models, you'll never have to worry about running out of juice. The only drawback? It's a corded model, meaning you're tied to an outlet. And at 8.6 pounds, it's the heaviest saw here, which might not be ideal for overhead work. However, if power is your top priority, this is the best saw to get. That wraps up our ranking of the best reciprocating saws. If you want to check out any of these models, the links are in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth tool reviews.